The top 4 best decentralized exchanges. That's what we're going to be talking about today, so let's get straight into the video. Number 1 is Uniswap, all right? The Uniswap protocol is fantastic, and the reason is because you can swap, earn, and build all on this decentralized crypto portfolio. Now, it's very popular. There's 1.4 trillion plus trade volume on there, over 142 million, 300 integrations, and over 4,500 community degrees. Now, it's growing very fast, all right? There's over 300 integrations already with MetaMask, Uniswap, all these kind of things going on, okay? What I would say is there's a lot to know about Uniswap that people just overlook. It's a fantastic decentralized platform, all right? It's governed by the community. It's actually managed by a global community of UNI token holders and delegates, all right? It's for the people, and it's very, very popular at the moment with the ecosystem. So guys, what I would do is know that if you're a trader, if you're a developer, if you're just looking for liquidity providers, you can all participate together with Uniswap on the protocol and get this app launched. So let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is a less known, but just as powerful decentralized exchange, all right? It is Curve.fi. Now, the total deposit here, you can see up at the top with the daily volume as well. The crypto volume share is at 16.02%. That's fantastic. All right, this is an easy one to talk about because it's simplistic, extremely simplistic. If you want to change your token up at the top, okay, whatever chain you want to be, Arbitrum, Oreo, Avalanche, Ethereum, all the way down, Polygon, Optimism, Moonbeam, Gnosis, KV, Phantom, okay, and Celo. You just got to connect your wallet up at this button here. If you want to swap whatever tokens it is you need, if you want to go to the pools section, click on pools, check what pools are going on, and obviously on the dashboard where you can actually see your tokens and what you've got claimable for it. Guys, it's an incredible project that I'm super excited about, all right? This decentralized exchange is number 2. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is 1inch, a very popular platform, all right? So one-stop access to decentralized finance. You get this on App Store, Google Play, whatever it is. They have over 370 liquidity source of 282 billion total volume, 4.5 million plus total wallets, 29.2 million total trades. Optimize your trades across hundreds of DEXs on multiple networks. You're talking Ethereum, Polygon, Gnosis, Arbitrum, Caitlin, Zsync, Aurora, Phantom, Avalanche, Optimism, BNB chain. All right, fantastic, never-ending liquidity is here. The 1inch wallet is by far the easiest to use. All right, you can buy, store, transfer, swap, or stake your crypto with just your credit card. All right, 1inch Fusion is the massive push that they are doing now with swaps on 1inch, yet more efficient and secure, combining the liquidity from the entire crypto marketplace. Is a fantastic decentralized platform, guys. That's number 3. Now for my favorite, number 4 is PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is definitely my favorite, okay, because the first I started using. The price of cake right now is at $3.04. I got in this when it was less than a cent a cake. Now, guys, PancakeSwap is not just for the token, even though the token has a massive power effect, all right? It is an incredible decentralized platform, ecosystem, and vibe, all right? You can trade, earn, and win money with the most popular decentralized platform in the whole entire galaxy. It's used by millions and trusted by billions, right? 1.5 million users in the last 30 days. Hear that right. 30 days, 1.5 million users have got involved, 18 million trades in the last 30 days, and 2.9 billion staked total value locked. Guys, PancakeSwap is fantastic. Get amongst it right now. If you want to change the chain up on here, BNB, Ethereum, and Aptos, and connect your wallet, guys, this is incredible. Look at their NFT section, look at their earn section, look at their win section. Get involved with PancakeSwap. I love it. And if you want passive income, please get amongst it and get the coin while it's at $3.04. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you next time.